Hey guys, I'm showing you this Crave USA clear protective case for Pixel 7. So comes in the nice pack. This is a clear plastic case that you can see with a sharp cutting and stuff. So just add in my mobile. It fit nicely into the case. I don't see any issue. So the good thing is you can show the actual color of your phone with this. So this is the power on and off button, this charging thing, volume, network stuff. So pretty much nice. This is a curve to protect the camera when you put it down. So on and off button working, volume button is working fine. So everything is working fine with this case. No issue with any of the operation. This is the wireless charging. It's working fine. This case is not hindering in the charging thing. So it's pretty much a nice case and the protection for Pixel 7.